guys, how's it going? You guys ever been on a dino safari before? Well, sit back and prepare to be totally blown away. Quick, there to your right. That's a Myosaurus. He's going next, look. With eggs in it. Bumpy landing. If you're quick, look to the right over the pond. Can you see it? That's a barrier, and it's just caught a fish. Check out the magical waterfall. It is said that this spring has been running since the Cretaceous period. That's about 100 million years ago in old money. This fine-looking dino is an iguanodon.
There's our dino.
That's our security guy. He takes pictures of everyone and plants them on the wall in Outpost 12 for all to see. Now this is a very special place. There's a couple of raptors that decided to nest inside this huge tunnel. Look to the left in that recess. There's some eggs. Wow, what's that baby? Just this is incredible. A rare treat for all of us. Oh, cute little fella, isn't he, eh? Check him out. Wasn't expecting that. Let's get out of here. He originally lived in Canada over 70 million years ago. You'll note he's got a head full of sharp teeth, so probably resides near the top of the food chain. Now these fellas to the left are ornitholestians, or they're bird eaters. But these two look like they've had a bit of a fallout. So in the interest of my safety, and yours of course as well, I'm going to head us out of here pronto. Well, enjoy the rest of your day, folks.